All right, we are going to take this insulation wrap that came from like a food delivery, vegetable, whatever. We're going to cut that up and we're going to make an insulation pouch for a freeze-dry meal or a backpacking meal. So essentially, we're going to open this up and we're going to make kind of a big long thing, but we're also going to have wings on the side at some point, because as we fold this over, these wings will come on top. We'll tape those down, and then you'll have a lid to come over the top of it to tuck in. That is the basic plan. So let's see what we can do. We got some Gorilla Tape and some insulation. So let's open this thing up carefully and see what we got. Although this is going to be way too flippin' big the way we have it. But we'll start this way and we'll trim it down. And think about it, need about that much, not much. I think if we were actually to cut it off right here, that should be plenty. And then we'll go. Forward. Yeah. The question is, would I actually take this backpacking? I don't know. I honestly don't know. All right. There you go. Probably even fit this in there as well. I think if I were to use this, I would put the package in there, then I would pour the water in, stir it, and fold it instead of trying to put a bigger package inside of this. So, as you can see, it's super lightweight at 1.12 ounces. Let me know if you'd take one of these along with you on your next backpacking trip. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by. Have a good night.